Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Google Chrome running on background on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So you just need to follow me. So as you can see, here is my Google Chrome. If I close the Google Chrome and if I'll go to Task Manager, just right click on your Start menu, Task Manager. Then if I'll go to the details option, as you can see, so many Chrome application is running on my background. What I have to do is I will show you. So firstly, you just need to open Google Chrome and you just need to click on this three dot button over here. Click on settings. After that, you just need to click on system from your left side. On your right side, you will get an option called under system, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So you just need to turn off this option. After that, close your Google Chrome, and as you can see, Google Chrome.exe not running on my background. So I hope this quick tutorial is ready for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.